What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video where today we finished cleaning up all our interior. Do you guys remember my other video? We did clean up all the plastics on the upper side right here. So all that is nice and clean. Gotta get rid of these water bottles here. And I said I was gonna work on the carpets and the seats and the headliner. So here we are. We're finally gonna get a chance to get started. So I'm gonna start from the bottom section and move my way up. As you can see, these are really dirty here. I'm not sure how clean I'm gonna be able to get these, but I do have a carpet cleaner and hopefully it can get rid of all these stains here. We do have a lot of dirt and debris over here. These mats, we're gonna wash them outside of the truck, make sure everything's clean, and then shampoo the carpets. There we have it. And then if you remember, we do have our headliner here that we need to take care of too. It's dirty in that area, and this side's not that dirty, but it's just dirty on that area. So I'm gonna get started with vacuuming first, getting rid of all the little dirt everywhere, and then we're gonna move on to probably shampooing all the seats and the carpet. We're gonna do the passenger side and then we'll move on to the driver's side. Keep in mind the driver's side is gonna be 10 times worse than this. Like I said, this is just dirt here, and look at the driver's side right there. That's nasty. Not sure if the previous owner used this as a work truck or what he used this for, but it's a more than 10-year-old truck, so there's bound to be a lot of dirt everywhere. If you guys want to check out my video of how I cleaned all this, I'm gonna put it up here. Check out the video so you guys see how I cleaned up all the plastics and how I transformed all this. Alright guys, let's get started with vacuuming. Alright guys, I decided to remove the seat. I'm going to go ahead and remove the seat and put it off to the side. I don't think I'm going to remove the seatbelt latch here. I'll just keep it on the seatbelt, but I'm going to remove the seat, put it off to the side. That way I can properly vacuum and can properly shampoo the whole carpet here. So this is why I wanted to remove the seat. Look at this. I would never have caught this. The hell is that? Honey sauce. Oh, we got a smoker up in here. The cigarette, this is still good. I'm gonna smoke that a little while. Then we got more wrappers, Jolly Ranchers. We got a bolt here. I don't know where that belongs to. Keep that. So I'm gonna throw all this away. So for those of you that have watched my other video of my system install, this is where I put the amp. You have plenty of room up in here. So I built custom brackets so that it goes from here all the way to here, and there's plenty of space for it to breathe under here. Check out my video if you guys want to see the sound system one. It's up here. Alright, so I'm going to throw this all away and finish vacuuming all this inside, and then I'll catch you guys when I'm ready to start shampooing this. Alright guys, I got the inside all pretty much vacuumed up. I do need to detail these areas. There's a lot of gunk here. And these plastics here, the jack that we have here, and then the back plastics here we didn't clean up. So I'm going to be using the same formula that I used in my other video here, and I'm just going to spray the panels down and use a detail brush to clean all that gunk off. I'm going to do the same thing with the plastics that are down here. Look at that. Alright. Let that soak down for a little bit, and then I'll hit it with the brush. Simple brush. Most of the gunk just comes right off. Alright guys, when I cleaned this side, it didn't look that dirty, but once I inspected the towel, look at that. Pretty dirty. So I cleaned these areas too already. Last plastic to clean is this. Again, it doesn't look that dirty, but once I use it with the brush, all the gunk just seems to like come out. See? Look at that. Didn't look that dirty. What it really is. Okay. I think we got most of it clean already. It's time to actually shampoo all this area. That's what I'm excited for. Alright guys, this is the carpet cleaner I'm using. I bought this professional carpet cleaner for my indoor carpet. It's the Bissell. So I think it should work for this carpet too. I mean, carpet's carpet, right? I did use this Bissell Professional Deep Cleaning with Scotch Guard. So, and you can see that the water is nice and white in here, nice and clear. So once we start lifting most of the dirt, we should start seeing it in here. We should start seeing a bunch of dirty water in this one. So I'll show you guys how dirty it really gets, and I'll get our hose and everything ready to start cleaning this carpet. Alright guys, we're completely done with the passenger side. I don't know if you can see that. What I love about this thing is it has strong suction, so the carpet's already dry. I know it looks like it soaks it, but it sucks up all the water and it's already dry. Alright, and we also have the seats. They are completely done too. They're all dry too. Nice and dry, so that's as clean as we're gonna get them, which I'm pretty happy about. You guys remember this bad stains that were all over here, but that looks a lot better. Looks almost new. So I'm just gonna leave it out here because remember we have to take out the other seat to remove this part. Once we do that side, we can button up everything back together. So let's go ahead and go on to the other side and do that side also. But look at this side, man. This side's dirty. I did find $20 in here. Under here. And another stogie. Bam. This one's still new. And more change, more pennies and stuff. I don't know what the hell that looks like. Chicken nuggets, another bolt. Alright, I'm going to move this over all the way to the other side. That way we can really clean on the bottom here. There we go. Alright, move it over a little bit more. There we go. It's still dirty. Wow. Alright, let's get to cleaning this middle section. Alright guys, time to remove this. I'm just gonna spray some on it and then just dab it with just a towel, I guess. I'm not gonna use a brush. Alright guys, after a little bit of elbow grease, we got most of it out. I might do this again, but it looks 1,000 times better. Now we're moving back to the carpet. Time to shampoo it all. And then moving on to the seats. So here are the seats, if you guys remember. Got this stain, whatever that is. And it's really dark compared to the other one. The other one's like a light gray. This one's really dark gray here. You can see probably the original color right there. So I'm excited to see how this turns out. This is really tiring for anybody doing this. I'm exhausted. But we're almost to the finish line, so let's get started. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the inside. What a difference. So we're still gonna do that bench seat, but I guess I'll do that on the other side. It makes it a little easier, or maybe when I attach it I'll do it real quick. But all this is nice and clean now. Alright guys, we ran out of cleaner, so I'm gonna show you guys how dirty this water actually is. I'll throw it here. All right. See that? That's pretty gross. Look at that. That is gross. Who wants a little coffee? Wow. So, I still gotta finish the driver's seat, so I'll probably just fill it up to half, and then maybe do a little bit of touch-ups right in the middle seat too, and we're done. Alright guys, we got all the seats bolted back in. This seat's completely dry now. The driver's side is a little wet still, so it looks a little darker, but that's our finished product here. Nice and shampooed. This one's made a big difference. I still got to do all the plastics. I removed as many plastics as I could. Alright, this is the driver's side. You guys remember how it used to be? There's still a little bit of stains here and there. This is just a little shadow there that I wasn't able to remove, but I mean, it's pretty good for being such an old vehicle. That's as good as we can go. Alright guys, our mats are all in. Everything is nice and clean now. Damn. Remember we cleaned all up here. Our whole interior is done. There's only one last thing left to do. Bam. There we have it. She's all done. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. Make sure you guys subscribe. I finally chose the wrap color, so I'm going to be revealing it in the next video. I think that's it. So we're pretty much going to be starting on the wrapping of the whole truck. So I'll show you step by step on how to wrap your own vehicle if you guys are interested. So make sure you guys subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you guys get notified when I post another video. Make sure you guys comment with any questions that you guys have, and I'll see you guys next time.